Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on how to access Google Form quiz scores. After your students take the quiz, to see what your students scored, open the Google Form quiz. I have the Google Form quiz open right here. As you can see, in the responses area, 4 students have taken my quiz already. Open the responses tab, and this will give you a summary of everyone's answer. You can also look at it by question to see what your students responded in each question. I also really like the individual feature because it very easily lets you see student A and his or her answers. And then when you click this forward button, you get to see student B and all of his answers. You can very easily print your responses and give it out to your students. Or if you want to just see it as a summary on an Excel sheet, you can also very easily click on this Excel sheet spreadsheet icon, create, and that generates an Excel worksheet with a summary of all the data from your students and the answers that they had given on the quiz. And that is how you access quiz scores.